Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable and use voice control on Insta360 Ace Pro. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Right here you'll find the voice control button. Inside, make sure that it's enabled. Then we can find the language. You can switch between some Asian language, I don't know which one, or English. In this case, we're going to go with English. That way you will see all of the voice commands on the bottom. You can click on them, or actually don't, because that's what you have to say to actually perform a thing. So, for example, take a photo, we'll take a photo, start recording, we'll start recording, stop recording, we'll stop the recording, and etc. So you get that probably. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.